all my DVDs. Good morning guys, hi again, welcome back. I am so excited for today. This is gonna be so much fun. I was at my boyfriend's, back home now, I've eaten breakfast and I'm so ready to, get started with this day. It's gonna be so much fun. Basically, later on in the evening, I'm going to a screening with Amazon Prime for the new season of The Summer I Turned Pretty. Like, what? I'm so excited. This show, guys, I can't even explain to you how much I love this show. So I literally found out about this like 2 days ago. So very last minute, but of course I have to make it work. I also need to go drop off my mum later today at the station because she's going back to Kenya. It's been like 2 weeks of her being here, so that was nice. And then I'm gonna head into London to meet Kaylee early. We'll grab some dinner quick before going to the screening, so I'm very excited. If you don't know as well, we have a podcast called As Seen In. It's about all things like music, film, TV, entertainment. So yeah, I'm also very intrigued about the guest list because the venue only holds 50 people, and I know it's the Barbie premiere today, so probably most like influencers and people are going there. I don't know, I'm really confused about it all. Like, I'm so excited for the Barbie movie as well. Like, that's coming out in a couple weeks now and I cannot wait. And Oppenheimer, same day. So yeah, that's the plan for today. And then tomorrow is a really busy day as well. So I'm gonna take you along with me today and tomorrow. I've got an event tomorrow, a studio viewing, just a bunch of stuff going on. So what I wanna do right now is like 10:20. I wanna film a couple like TikTok type videos of just like me getting ready, doing my makeup. The screening is a long way away. Like, it's at 7 p.m, but I'd rather just do my makeup now, touch it up later before I leave because it's gonna be a busy afternoon. And then I also wanna film like a help me choose an outfit type of thing and post that soon because I have no idea what to wear. So yeah, need your guys' help deciding. So if you don't already, make sure you go follow me over there so you can help me with these type of decisions because I need the help for sure. Like, there was one screening that I went to recently for a film called Chevalier and I just looked so bad, guys. Like, I actually need a stylist or something. Like, I can dress myself for smart casual, like I can dress myself, don't get me wrong. When it comes to like dresses and what to wear to events and stuff, like I really struggle. So yeah, I need the help. But yeah, let's do some makeup quick, get ready, and then figure out what to wear. Okay, I've already put on this La Roche-Posay moisturizer, really love it. Okay, Lumine primer. Alright, makeup is done. This is the look I'm going for today. I need to do my hair, but I'm gonna do that later, close to when I'm leaving. But it's now 11:10. I wanna post this TikTok and then decide what to wear and film that as well. I need to be ready by like 12:45, 12:50 at the absolute latest. We need to make a move. We need to keep going. Okay, so it's a bit later on in the day. It's like 2:30. I asked on my TikTok what people thought I should wear out of 3 different options, and everyone is saying this one blue dress. So I'm gonna wear the blue dress. I'm not vibing with it 100%, but I think that's just because I feel a bit uncomfortable. So I'm gonna chuck on a cardigan on top, and I feel like that will be the vibe. All right, guys, this is the final look. So yeah, this cardigan is Lacoste. This dress is Revolve, I believe. Finished the hair. This is what we're working with. I'm so happy with how everything turned out and I'm so excited. I'm just gonna wear my black loafers, so nothing special, and take like a cute little white shoulder bag. But yeah, I'm gonna meet Kaylee at the station at like 4:30. It's around 3:30 right now. I'm gonna leave in like 10 minutes. But yeah, so excited. Let's get going. Good morning. Oh, that's my alarm to leave the house. Yeah, good morning guys. It is now Thursday, day after, 9 a.m. I'm just about to leave the house. It's another busy day. But yesterday, oh my gosh, it was so cute. I actually can't believe it. Prime Video UK went so all out with the decorations, with the photo ops, with the screening. Like, it was just so good. You could tell they really put so much effort in and I loved it so much. I'll show you what they gave us, hold on. When we first came in, they gave us these envelopes which are really cute, and inside they had a note and there was this bracelet inside which we later like added charms to. So this says Tati, and then I also added this like heart, this infinity. Is so cute. And then there was a mood ring in there as well. There were so many photo ops. So Kaylee and I took a photo in front of this thing. This is probably my favorite photo op. So cool. We got these Polaroids as well. Kaylee has a couple of others. This coaster. Honestly, there's more. When we were going inside for the actual screening, they gave us these popcorn buckets. I took a Team Jeremiah one. Kaylee took a Team Conrad one. And then as we were leaving, they gave us this tote bag. How adorable. I love a tote bag, you guys know that, and it's a big one. And then inside there's a towel, I believe. It's a branded towel. Are you joking? This is so cute. Big shout out to Prime Video UK. Thank you so much. But yeah, as I said, right now I need to leave. It's 9:03. I kind of want to leave in the next like 2-3 minutes. I'm going to a studio viewing and then have a meeting and then an event. And I'm so excited for the event. We're going Tufting. If you don't know what Tufting is, wait and see. Meeting Becky for this studio viewing at like 11, I believe. It's like near Notting Hill, to be fair. It's like a couple stops from where I used to live in Notting Hill. And then I'll go to a cafe, grab something quick and easy for lunch, have a meeting, and then head to this event. So yeah, let's get going. It's like 11 a.m. now, walking to the studio. It's so gloomy all of a sudden, which is so annoying. I was hoping for a sunny day, but so fine. I went to a new cafe at Liverpool Street. I'm now walking around the like Latimer Road, Westbourne, Grove area. So yeah, let's see the studio. Okay, so finished at the studio space. It was okay. I don't think we're going to go with that space for this project that we're working on because it's very bright in there and I feel like it will wash out the people a lot when shooting on video, especially because there's no contrast with any of the background with the sofas and stuff, but so fine. Looking at some charity shops now for something I could potentially wear to the opera because I'm going on Monday, which is super exciting, so look out for that vlog. That'll be one after this. But yeah, I'm in Notting Hill and I have to do a meeting really quick as well before heading off to this event, so yeah.
It's been a long year, pour the glass out to the ones that ain't here by choice. I hoisted it all up, this ain't love, no rabbit's foot. I got this thing wrapped up, the girls favorite rapper if they asked us. Master, no clue who it was.
Okay, just finished on Portobello Road, some amazing charity shops. I feel like I haven't been here in so long, so it's nice to like see some new things. I managed to pick up like a nice satin black dress. I can't believe I didn't have a black dress already in my wardrobe. I'm not sure if I'll wear it to the opera, but we'll see. But yeah, make my way to the event now. So if you don't already know, tufting is basically a type of textile manufacturing, and you can create carpets, rugs, and so many other products. So we started off with a tutorial and we basically just learned how to use the tufting gun, basic safety features, and to be honest, it is quite simple and straightforward. However, it's such a workout, which I definitely underestimated. It took us maybe 3.5 hours to finish these tiny designs. I definitely went for a simple design, but my back was still aching so much in the end. But honestly, the final result is so worth it. After you're finished, you glue the back, hair dry it so that it dries really quick, cut it out, and then add the back of the carpet and you're done. You can also shave it down depending on how fluffy you want it to be. But yeah, such a great afternoon overall. Thank you so much, Pinterest. Good afternoon, guys. It is a couple days later, actually. It's Saturday afternoon. Kaylee came over for a sleepover and we watched the next 2 episodes of The Summer I Turned Pretty and then Too Hot to Handle. But I realized I never showed you the stuff I got from the charity shop. I have some amazing bargains and also, sneak peek, some amazing DVDs. I've started collecting DVDs and I'm so excited about it. I also got some clothes because, as I said, on Monday, it's Saturday today, you're watching this tomorrow on Sunday, and then on Monday I'm going to the opera. So really excited about that. Kaylee's coming with me as well. And I have 2 dresses that I got in the charity shop. This one is a plain black satiny dress. It's really thick material. Brand is Nobody's Child. I got it at British Red Cross. £25, brand new, so really great. I think it is a tad too big, but I quite like the fit of it, so I'm not too mad. And then it ties around the back like as a bow. So I feel like this could be the safer option. However, I also got this really pretty chiffon purple dress, and it comes with a scarf, which is so cute. This one is a tiny bit longer. Again, same fit, it just like flows straight down, but the color is so pretty. So this with like a white jumper on top, again, it could be so cute. The brand is Wallace, and this was £8.50, which is incredible for a dress. Definitely gives me 90s, noughties vibes. So yeah, these are the 2 dresses, and I'll try them on for you in a sec. And then I got this dress, which kind of gives me summer Polly Pocket Bratz Barbie vibes. It's definitely just like not my vibe, but I thought it could be cute for like a dressing up fancy dress scenario. I don't know. But this was £4.50, very retro indeed. And then in the men's section, Autograph, so M&S, this blue sweatshirt for £3.50. This sweater vest, really great. I can't believe I don't have a blue sweater vest considering it's literally my favorite color. So Kaylee actually spotted that out as well. We went yesterday. So yeah, that's all my clothing charity shop finds. But now let me show you all my DVDs. I feel like I should do a video where I go through each movie and like tell you what I love about it. But for now, I'll just tell you what they are. And we'll save that video if we want to have a bigger collection, I think. The reason I really wanted to collect DVDs is because everything is so digital nowadays. We have no way of just like understanding people. Like, you know, when you would go to someone's house as a child and you'd see like, oh, they have these books on their shelf, they have these DVDs, they listen to this type of music. You can understand a person based on how they present themselves, the things they have. Now I feel like the only way we can do that is through people's outfits and through the fashion and how they choose to present themselves that way. But I prefer for people to get to know me through my interests and stuff like that. And I feel like film and TV are such a huge part of my life. So having DVDs, you can come over to my house and instantly see the type of movies I like, have loved in the past, I'm intending to watch, all that stuff, and you can know me instantly. Almost. It's similar to like collecting vinyls. I love that because you can learn so much about a person through the type of music they like to listen to. Same with collecting CDs, cassettes, books, as I was saying, just like everything. So yeah, let's go through my current DVD collection. Romeo and Juliet, Leonardo DiCaprio version. I don't love the Douglas Booth version, but I really like the 1963 Leonard Whiting version too. Twilight, of course. Brokeback Mountain, I haven't seen it yet, but this one is next on my watch list. I really want to see it in theatre as well. High School Musical, the DVD game. Are you joking? It's got sing, dance, act, and play. I'm about to eat that up. St. Trinian's, absolute classic. 21 Jump Street, so funny. 17 again. I think everyone had to go through a Zac Efron phase, as you should. I genuinely love him so much. Now You See Me, Now You See Me 2. Chicago, The Lion King. Good Will Hunting, easily in my top 5 movies. 500 Days of Summer. I've had this for a while actually. The Internship, such a funny movie. Clueless, again, iconic, everything. I just have really strong memories of watching this in the cinema. Also love Nick Robinson, love him in Love, Simon. The Greatest Showman, Night in Rodanthe. I think this is Nicholas Sparks, and this was one of the first movies that made me bawl my eyes out. I can't believe it. So fond memories. Again, this one I've had for a while as well. How to Lose a Guy in 10 Days. I actually watched this for the first time recently and love it. Notting Hill. I lived in Notting Hill for a year, and it also came out in 99, which is the year I was born. Obviously has to be one of my favorite movies / rom-coms. Step Up, The Edge of 17, Remember Me, The Pursuit of Happiness, Casino Royale. I love James Bond, so I want to get more James Bond movies. Bourne Identity, identity, born supremacy, and born ultimatum. So yeah, that's what I have so far. Obviously there are so many more that I need to get. It's just like every time I go into a charity shop I look for more, and they're like 50p, £1. So really happy with my collection so far, considering this is after like 2 or 3 trips after a charity shop. Kaylee did start me off and she got me like 10 of them. It honestly sparked this fire in me because I was telling her about my thoughts with the whole collecting thing. So for my birthday she gave me a bunch and it was honestly the best thing ever, so really happy about that. But yeah, let's go try on these dresses and figure out what to wear to the opera. Okay, this is dress number 1. It's really simple, really basic, as you can see, just a plain black dress with these frills on top. Again, this would be with like a white cardigan on top and then my black loafers, so definitely the safest option if the purple one doesn't fit. The dress is definitely a tiny bit big, like with the straps, but it sits quite nicely, so I reckon with the cardigan on top it could work, but we'll have to see. We'll test it out on Monday. Definitely make sure you follow me on TikTok so you can help me decide. Oh my gosh, I also forgot to show you the final version of my rug that we did at the Tufting workshop with Pinterest. It did turn out really cute, but my goodness did it take a long time. You can see my projector set up. Great vibes. I will be watching another movie there tonight. But yeah, I'm gonna end this video here. I need to edit, do some work. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn notifications on so you don't miss any videos. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna go now, but I'll see you next time. So bye.